Hi, I'm Marshall Cohen from Antonini and Cohen Immigration Law Group. Today I'd like to speak with you briefly about what to do if you lose your green card. So the first thing you need to know is that the green card is just evidence of your status. Your status is a lawful permanent resident. So if you lose your green card, you're still a lawful permanent resident, you just don't have anything to show for it. So you'll need to go online to the USCIS website and file an application to replace your green card. You'll then need to take the receipt and make an InfoPass appointment to present yourself at USCIS with your passport to get a stamp in your passport stating that you're a lawful permanent resident. That stamp will allow you to get a driver's license in most states, so it's an important thing to do. We have clients who have lost their green cards, and we have filed the application, gotten them replacements, and directed them through the whole process. Please give us a call if you've lost your green card. We'll be happy to help. At Antonini and Cohen, we know how.